Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class we will be seeing ones complement binary subtraction. We will be saying examples in this topic. Before going into the examples, let us see what are the advantages of ones complement subtraction. The first advantage is the ones complement subtraction can be accomplished with a binary adder. Therefore, this method is useful in arithmetic logic circuit. The second advantage is the ones complement of a number is easily obtained by inverting each bit in the number, that is replacing 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. So, we can do ones complement using binary adder. Let us solve one problem for ones complement binary subtraction, that is subtract 7 minus 7 is a decimal number from 5. Okay. So, in this question, first let us convert this decimal numbers into binary number. 7 binary is 111. So, we want to write it in 4 bits, so we have added 0 to it. And 5 in binary is 101. What we have to do here? We have to subtract 7 from 5. That is, we have to subtract 5 minus 7. So, what will be the answer? Minus 2. Okay, so let us do it. 5 binary is 0101. This is the 5. And 7 is 0111. We have to subtract these two numbers, and as we are using ones complement, we have to find the ones complement of this number. Okay, so we will write 0101 5 as it is, and ones complement of this number, that is 10000, ones complement of it, and then add it. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. In this case, there is no carry. When there is no carry, what we do? We find the ones complement of this result and put a minus sign. What is the ones complement of this? It will be 0010. Ones complement number is, you have to replace 1 by 0 and 0 by 1 and put a minus sign. Okay. So, this is the final answer. So, if you look it in decimal, it is minus 2. Okay. So, what is the answer for this? Minus 0010. So, when there is no carry, we take the ones complement of the result and put a minus sign. Now, next question is subtract 5 decimal from 7. Okay, so first let us write their binary numbers. What is the given question? Subtract 5 from 7, that is 7 minus 5 we have to do. What is 7? 111. We have to write in a group of 4 bits, so I added 0. 5 is 101, 0 to it. We have to do this subtraction. 7 minus 5 in decimal is 2. So, we have to get the answer as 2. So, it is a ones complement method. So, we have to take ones complement of this one. Okay. So, 0111, ones complement of this number is 1010. Add to it 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 0, 1 0 1. So, we are getting one extra carry. What you have to do to this extra carry? You have to add this one here. Okay. So, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1, 0 plus 1, 1, double 0. So, what is the answer? Answer is 0010, that is in decimal it is 2. So, what is the answer here? 0010. Okay, 0010. So, here in these two examples what we have seen, when there is no carry in the result, we take the ones complement of the result and put a minus sign, and then when there is a carry in the result, we add that carry to this result, and that is called the final result. Okay. This is how we can do ones complement subtraction. Thank you. Good luck, students.